We will talk about our potential captain choices for the next game week now. So yes, for me, it has to be a no-brainer. It has to be Mohamed Salah against Fulham away. So the thing is, we have been waiting for this since a very long time. When you when you look at the last week, wherein KD, a lot of people got in KDB just because it's Fulham,
Mhm.
and he did pretty well. And we were waiting for Salah to be in the same position, and now he is. But I somehow feel since we are hyping him so much, he will
Yeah,
blank.
yeah. I am not going to jinx him this week. I want him to score. I want my December
But
pick.
it's Fulham, and I hope he does something because this is the greatest chance Mohamed Salah can do something for his team. So I want him not to pass to Mane. I want him to score.
I mean, he can pass to Mane after scoring like 5 goals.
Yes, if you want to do that, fair enough. But yes, he also got a prize rise last in the last 2 days, and his form is 7.2, 87 points, as you mentioned.
Second
Uh,
highest.
yeah, and 32% of the teams do own him at the
Only
time.
32.
Only
Just imagine.
32.
Considering the fact that BCL is owned by 65% of
65%.
and let me just take another sample, which is Rodriguez was owned by 26% last year. Now it's 23%.
Wow.
Consider 23% people owning Rodriguez, 30% owning Salah.
Yeah, it's
So,
pretty low, and
I mean, I understand he's still the costly, right? He's the highest priced player, right?
yeah, he's 12.3. He's rising as well, so it's not helping. If
Yeah.
yeah, if you don't have him, it's pretty hard to get him in right now. Talking about Salah, I think he's due again, but I feel somehow we are jinxing it. But I hope it's not because it would mean a lot if Salah gets in points against Fulham. It's like people get in players who are going to play against Fulham, so they already have Salah. So so that's the reason Salah is my captaincy pick.
Yeah, I'll go ahead with my picks. So I know the obvious choice this week would be Salah since he's playing Fulham, but due to my personal reasons with him, I would never, I would never pick Salah as my first pick.
Hmm.
Although he might be my fifth or sixth or seventh pick,
Hmm.
would never be my top pick this entire season. So Vardy is playing Brighton, I guess, this week, right? So Vardy against Brighton would be a very great pick
Hmm.
for your captainship. And I guess Kane is also playing Crystal Palace. So these are the guys I think I would captain, and these are the guys I have in my team. So
Yeah.
that is why if they do well, I do well. So that is why these two are the picks for my captains this week.
Great.
You know,
Pranav, what about you?
Brighton played Liverpool and they went on to 1-1 draw.
Hmm.
And
I know.
Vardy's team is in total disaster after losing to
Mm,
Fulham. They're the
yeah.
only team who disappointed against Fulham. So Brighton, not so sure. But I don't want to choose the obvious captain, not because I don't own him, but Timo Werner is a good choice. He might get you all, but he has been consistent over the last 3 4 weeks,
Yeah,
and
true.
but he's also like 9 million, so it,
Yeah, not worth the money, I guess.
yeah, not really. You know, the best pick,
Yeah.
but he has been consistent. He has got like one assist, about two assists, and two goals, two assists in the last 5 games.
Hmm.
So if things click up, it is a you know it is a decent choice, but it's Everton, right? Everton's defense is mm,
You don't know.
so
You have Pickford in goal, so you don't know.
yeah. So he will chip in something. So he's a good shout. But I will be captaining Salah. That is
Come on.
my personal shout. And Danny Ings is a good shout because they are playing ship. Danny Ings is back and he will
Yes.
good points.
Back, and I think he'll be gone soon. with some other injury.
I don't think. I have
I'm saying this because I don't have him.
I have a lot to. I owe a lot of my last season success to Danny Ings,
True, true.
CL, and Richarlison. Those three were my differential picks who scored a lot of points for me, and mainly because Danny Ings never got injured last season.
Yeah, that's the thing.
And he's a great player, but injuries has ruined him for a lot of reason, and also because of Liverpool. I want him to do well in life. I don't want him to get injured. He's a good guy.
Yes.
Yeah.
So yes, those were our captaincy choices for the next game week. We had some pretty obvious choices, and we also mentioned in a few other choices which would be great picks for the next game week. So that's something we do different here, unlike the other podcasts who just say, "Okay, Son or Salah, great." So we do mention some differentials as well if you want to get that slight edge in your mini leagues. So do like this video, do share, subscribe with your don't share it with your mini league rivals, but yes, do like it would mean a lot.
Kane and Werner are differential.
Dannings is our differential pick, yeah, with 8% of the ownership.
6% actually.
Okay, it went down.
Gone down.
Yeah, great.